Good afternoon everyone. Today we will discuss about science words. Science words of chapter 2. Chapter 2. Science words. Class, hey. First of all, we discuss about microbes. Very small living organisms that can only be seen using a microscope are called the microbes. Very small living organisms that can only be seen through a microscope. Are called microbes. Microbes or microorganisms. Microbes, very small living organisms which we cannot see our naked eyes. We can see only these organisms with the help of the microscope. Do you know what is the microscope? An instrument which enlarges the image of an object is called microscope. Clear this definition? Microbes, very small living organisms that can only be seen through a microscope are called the microbes. Second is fungi. Fungi, these organisms do not have the chlorophyll. They grow and feed decaying matter. So these type of organisms, they are not having chlorophyll. These organisms do not have chlorophyll. They grow and feed decaying matter. Clear it? These organisms do not have the chlorophyll. Do you know what do you mean by the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, a green pigment present in the green plants. It helps in photosynthesis. They are the four raw materials needed for the photosynthesis. These are the air, you can say carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, it is the green pigment present in the leaves. They grow and feed decaying matter. Those dead and decaying matters, they get their food from that things. Clear it? These organisms do not have the chlorophyll. They get their food from dead and decaying matters, are called the fungi. Next is bacteria. Bacteria They are the living organisms and can only be seen under a microscope. They are everywhere. But bacteria also living things. They are living things which can be seen under a microscope. They found everywhere. Third is bacteria. They are living things which can be seen under a microscope. They found everywhere. Clear these three definitions? Microbes, very small living organisms, they can only be seen through a microscope, are called the microbes. There are the 5 types of the microbes. These are fungi, bacteria, algae, protozoa and virus. Next is fungi. These organisms do not have chlorophyll. They grow and feed decaying matter. Next is bacteria. They are living things which can be seen under a microscope. They found everywhere. Next is molds. Molds are the fungus these are the fungi in the category of the fungus that grow on bread or stale food. Molds are the fungus that grow on bread and stale food. Clear it? Or on stale food. Molds, these are the types of the fungus that grow on the bread or on stale food. I think you have seen, you left over your bread for 2 or 3 days. After some time you will see some white color. A white color is there, that is known as this mold or fungus. Next is preservations. Preservations, the process of treating and handling food to prevent spoilage and save its nutritional value, texture and flavor is called preservation. Preservation, the process of treating and handling the process of treating and handling food from spoilage and save its nutritional value, texture of the food. Preservations, the process of treating and handling food from the spoilage. It prevents food from the spoilage and save its nutrition value. Whatever is the nutrition value, it save it and texture of the food.